Hi there and welcome back. It's Tania from Tatty Treasures. Hello. So today I'm here to do an unboxing. It does look like I've opened it. I haven't really. I've not flipped it. This is the second video I've done. I made a right mess of opening it. It took me about 6 minutes. So I thought I'll just start again. So I was asked by CoraCreaCrafts. I'm not sure how that pronunciation is. It's CoraCreaCrafts. She is on Instagram. She does a vlog. She's got her own website, you know, shop. This is one of her monthly subscription boxes. So she did message me and ask me if I wanted to take a look. She's lovely, and you know what I like about her? She does the boxes and she does lots of you know, small tutorials on Instagram, does pictures and that. So she is a creator, you know, a crafter and a creator, which is absolutely fabulous. And it must be great to, you know, put these boxes together and you know, use the boxes too. She does journal with me and that kind of thing. So I've just flicked on her shop link and I've just seen that she's doing a Christmas box, and that's a pre-order in, I think it's got to be ordered in October. I'm not sure if that's all sold out or not. And there's an advent calendar one, so 12 or 24 days filled with craft supplies. I can remember seeing those last year on Instagram, people opening like little bags of goodies and stuff. Oh, that's such fun. So I know these boxes you can either just buy a one-off or you can, you know, do it for X amount of months. And there's lots of different boxes. There's surprise boxes, there's one called a magic box, there's the treasure boxes, which are really big boxes, all throwback boxes, so boxes from past months. Yeah, fabulous. So I will put all the links down below. So the plan is I'm going to open it. We'll have a look because I don't know what's in it. I've not seen any other unboxings, and I've not looked on the Instagram page, so you know that I don't see it. And then I'll come back tomorrow, but I'll join the videos together and we'll make something. But until I've opened it, I don't know what I'll be making. So let's flip it over. Super. I'm gonna actually just pull it out, get rid of that box. So that's her card. CoraCreaCrafts. Yes, that will be it. So yeah, she's everywhere. So thank you for your order. Enjoy your October autumn box. And it says the next theme will be letters. November will be featuring lots of vintage style items inspired by letters and correspondence of the past. You will get a beautiful stamp, washi tape, envelopes and letters, and a sticky note pad, a feather dip pen, wax seal stamps and more. Fabulous. So that's the card. I shall leave that there, and let's have a look inside. So, do love her logo. It's very simple, you know, simplistic, but it's very, very nice. So pop that there. Oh, let's oh, super duper. Let's have a look at this one. So first, I shall grab this massive stamp. This is brilliant. Oh, I love it. Ah, this is really good. I've not seen one of these before, you know, this one, and I love wooden stamps. I do think they give you a lovely imprint, and it saves you getting your plastic block out. I'm having real problems opening things today. Fancy doing an unboxing on a day where you're not very good at opening things. So yeah, fabulous stamp. So I will come back and stamp that. So that would be beautiful. I'm thinking a belly band, and obviously on pages as well. So yeah, that's beautiful. So that's the first item. And oh, got some fab washi tape. Look this. I love the colour. Because I've noticed, and I didn't buy any. I bought some last year, but mushroom washi, because it's normally got a white background, and it's like, I don't want a white background when it's mushrooms. I want an aged one. So I can't find where it starts. I think it starts here. Nice size as well. I'm guessing that's like 1 inch. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah, I love that. Really sticky as well. I'm guessing this is her own design with it, you know, having all her packaging on and stuff. Yeah, that's fab. So that's the second item. I don't know if you can see those. And we've got, oh, we've got another one, pumpkins. Oh, can. Oh. I'm getting there, I'm getting there. Oh, look at the gold shine on this. That's thicker, isn't it? Yeah. So probably, is that like 2 inch or 1.5? Yeah, 1.5. I was right then, the other one was 1 inch, I thought it was. Yeah, that's beautiful. Lovely background again. Brown, and it's got text underneath it, so it's not just, you know, brown. Yeah, that's beautiful. Really sticky tape. So it says pumpkins, autumn, fall. Yeah, love it. Super. Super duper. Let's stick it back down. So that's that one. Yeah, feels really nice. And what else have we got? Got some stickers. We all love stickers. Yeah. Goodness gracious stuff. Ah. So, oh, these are really nice ones. Yeah, they're very nice. They're different images to, you know, to the normal ones that you see around. These are quite different. Yeah, I like these. And they feel super. Yeah, really, really nice. Must be nice sticker stuff that she uses. It's very nice. Maybe a little bit too much white edge. I would probably have to fussy cut those down a little bit. But yeah, I absolutely love the images. I'm loving this grey one. I think they're really quite different to ones that I've seen before. So that's there. I think there's probably about 8 or 10 there. And then, oh, it looks like we've got some sceneries. Oh, these are nice. So you can just see in the distance like mountains and trees, wintry scenes. I will probably, well I will, use these in my, oh I think that's upside down. So they're like little Polaroids, aren't they? Yeah, so you see a lot of people doing, you know, journal spreads and that with these type of things. But obviously you can use them in junk journaling too. You can use all these things in, well, I suppose whatever kind of paper things you're doing. So yeah, there's a good amount in here, you know, plenty. Yeah, very, very nice. Oh, we've got some fabulous backing paper, which will obviously go in my Trash Tuesday. I have stopped Trash Tuesday for a little bit, but yeah, we'll see that again, because yeah, I do like changing the packaging and things. Oh, these are nice. Are these rub-ons, or I don't know what these are, or is it just like a sticker panel? Maybe a sticker panel. I've never had any transfers, you know. I don't. Yes, it's a sticker. Oh, hold on. Oh, okay. So you take that, right? So I'm actually going to take that off because I think that'll be easier when I use them. Oh, I got so much enjoyment out of doing that. They're lovely. Very, very nice. Love the berries and the acorns. Super. So I'll pop that there. Oh, this looks yummy. Oh, this is fab. I'm wondering if this is, it looks very William Morris. That's super, and obviously that's a sticker panel too. Got me thinking. Need to come up with a nice project. And then I'm guessing these are like just little sticker strips. These are nice, very vintagey. Oh, so this is kind of the same design as the stamp. Oh yeah, lovely. Could use these at any time, you know. Might save those, and you know, I can use those when it's not autumn. And some great. Ooh, oh, these look nice. Oh, look at the stag. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, look at this one. Oh, I love that. Yeah, these are super. And that frame, I think that deer is a separate. Yes, it is. It's separate, so you can use the actual frame without the deer. They're beautiful. Yeah, I love those. Oh, and there's some more of those there. What's that? Oh, there's stickers too. Simple leaves according to the system of system, not systems. Yeah, beautiful. Oh, sorry, my finger went funny. Yeah, they're very, very nice. So we can see stamping in the future. And then we've got this lovely sticker sheet. These are very nice. They're going to be, and it's a matte, it's not a shiny clear, because that's the only thing with some of these clear things. They're very, very shiny. That's matte. I like those. Yeah, I really like those. So that is my box. I have got a couple of ideas. I'll probably make some, you know, ephemera pieces. So I will join that video onto this. So I will see you later. Thanks so much for joining me. I will put all of Cora's details in the description box, and go and check her out. I think her boxes are very, very nice, and like I say, there's lots of different ones to choose from. I think the Advent ones are a brilliant idea. So I shall see you in a bit. Bye for now.